Hey guys, it's Kyle here with ICI. As you can see, we're doing an install for a set of our Alumilite side steps on a Toyota Tacoma. These steps fit the crew cab. They'll fit from the 2005 to 2022 models. We also have these side steps available for the 4Runner and Toyota Tundra. It's a very similar install, so you can even check this out to learn how to install those as well. Some benefits of these steps: it's an all aluminum construction, so they will not rust if you chip the powder coat, scratch them, whatever. As well as the step hoops themselves are removable. So if you want to remove those and run them with just the bar, that's totally acceptable. You can also replace the side steps if you ever get to run into something or scratch or dent them. The brackets that attach to the vehicle are all steel construction. They attach to the OE mounting points, so there's no drilling required. Very simple bolt-on installation with hand tools. So let's go ahead and start the install. This should only take you about an hour to do both sides. Like I said, basic hand tools, very simple installation, attaches to the factory mounting points.
Remove any side steps that may be equipped on the vehicle. Locate the 3 set of mounting points on the underside of the vehicle. Note, your vehicle may already have hardware installed in these locations or plastic plugs covering them up. These will need to be removed to access the mounting points. The front mounting bracket is different than the middle and rear mounting brackets, but remember, the brackets are side specific, so there are driver side and passenger side brackets.
Schematic for
Next, beginning with the driver front bracket, use 2 sets of the M8 by 30mm hex head bolts, flat washers, and lock washers, and secure the bracket to the front mounting point on the vehicle. Remember, do not fully tighten the bracket. Once the front bracket is attached, move on to the middle and rear brackets. Once the brackets have been loose fit to the vehicle, go ahead and locate the driver's side bar and hang the bar from the brackets. Once the bar is hanging from the brackets, go ahead and locate the middle mounting location and attach the bar to the middle mounting bracket. Do not fully tighten the bar to the bracket yet. Next, bolt the bar to the front and rear mounting brackets. Once the bar has been loose fit to the mounting brackets, go ahead and attach each step hoop to its correct location. And finally, tighten the step hoops to the bar. Remember, when tightening everything, if you're using the Allen wrench, hold the Allen wrench still and tighten the nut on the back side. This will prevent the washer from spinning and potentially scuffing the outside of the powder coat. Once the bar and hoop steps have all been loose fit to the truck, go ahead and begin tightening. Start with the brackets by tightening the bracket to the vehicle. Once the bracket is tight to the vehicle, move on and tighten the bar to the brackets. And finally, tighten the step hoops. Once the driver's side is tightened and complete, go ahead and repeat all the steps for the passenger side. With both sides fully tightened to the vehicle, your installation is now complete.
Hey guys, hopefully your installation went as easy as it did for us. You can understand how everything goes together really simply and follow along with us to get yours done just as easily. Again, we do recommend checking the torque on all the hardware after 500 to 1,000 miles just to make sure that nothing's come loose, prevents accidents and any damage that could happen. For more great ICI products, check us out online, ICIonline.com.